As an Amazon seller, there are two types of patents you need to understand: utility patents and design patents. A utility patent protects the way a product works, including inventions, processes, or methods of use. A design patent protects how a product looks, covering the shape, style, and appearance. To give you an example, think about electric toothbrushes. A utility patent can protect the specific motorized brushing technology or the unique cleaning mechanism inside the toothbrush. A design patent, on the other hand, would protect the physical appearance of the toothbrush, such as the shape of the handle or the layout of the brush head. Both forms of protection are powerful and enforceable. Utility patents usually last for 20 years from the filing date, while design patents filed after May 2015 last for 15 years from the date they are granted. Approvals can take years, but once active, they are legally binding. If you sell a patented product without permission, you are infringing on someone else's rights, and excuses like "I didn't know" or "my supplier told me it was fine" do not hold up. See you in the next lesson.